Which among the following fruits is parthenocarpic? Parthenocarpic fruits are the fruits that develop without fertilization, meaning they do not require pollination or fertilization of the ovule to produce the fruit. And from the given options, bananas are a classic example for parthenocarpic fruits because the banana we commonly consume are seedless and develop without fertilization, resulting in a fruit that doesn't have viable seeds. So option A is the correct answer. Whereas coming to brinjal, that is the eggplant, they require fertilization to develop, so they are not parthenocarpic. Option C, apple. Apple usually require pollination and fertilization to produce the fruit, so they are not parthenocarpic. D, jackfruit. They also develop through fertilization, so D is incorrect. The correct answer is option A.